Hello, we are here. This is Rolf from Tesla Owners US, and I found something on the internet. Comes from China. What doesn't come from China?
Yeah.
Let's unbox it.
Awake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future.
And yeah, and Thomas takes it out. So what is it? That is carbon fiber wing for the rear spoiler. And because everything is in black or gloss black in the car, carbon fiber will not fit to it.
Yeah. So it's the spoiler for the spoiler on the Model X.
Yeah. It's a spoiler for the spoiler, which comes with a black foil. It's a protection foil as well as in black, right?
Yeah, exactly. That's going to be like the new cosmetic PPF, as we like to say. It's basically the best of both worlds. We got clear bra and vinyl, or like a color, in once.
So let's do a little bit explanation of the foil. So the foil is not a vinyl, and Thomas will explain that, and we're going to show it for you because we have two. Right?
Exactly. So it's not the classic vinyl wrap. Like, let's say it's this one. This is just a protective layer, but you can see like that the reflection. You can basically tell when the car is wrapped. You can see it. Like the reflection. It doesn't look like paint. The new technology now these days, just for comparison, this is gloss PPF, which means it has the vinyl and clear bra combined. That's why this reflection.
And it's much thicker.
Oh yeah, it's thicker and it lasts like twice. It's almost twice the lifespan. Because vinyl, let's say here in Arizona, would maybe give you like 4 years out of it. This color PPF will give you at least 8 years.
Okay.
So you get the benefits of both worlds.
And that is what we're gonna put on that spoiler.
Yeah.
And we will be back soon because we're gonna prepare that. It needs to be neatly being put on, and then we put the spoiler on the car, and that's a little ice on the cake. That's what.
Oh, the icing.
Icing.
The cherry and the sprinkles on top.
Okay, see you soon. Yeah, I think the last piece of the Model X of the Self-Frost is attached, and I'm gonna show you this piece, and that is the reasonable rear wing, and I put the link for the company in there as well, and I'm gonna show you this now. And there's additional things what I want to tell you also about the car itself, the Model X. And I think it is quite of a difference in driving. And the reason for that is because first of all it's shorter. It looks like there is a Model S and you put up you bulk it up a little bit more and you make a Model X out of that. While this car is now driving like a sedan, and the old Model X was more driving like a truck. And that was more the difference. And my wife felt that right from the beginning, me too. It is driving heavy, but it's still driving a very decent like a sedan. And I think that's why a lot of people like it as well. And now I'm going to show you some pictures, and we said thank you to Thomas who attached the spoiler at the end here, and that's what I'm going to show you as well. That was the main purpose of that. And what I say, subscribe to the channel and thumbs up. We're going to have more interesting content to come, and especially there is something more on the interior what I want to do, but that's a later episode.